Welcome! If you're looking to enable notification sounds for PTT Deactivate on Discord web using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Discord update, customizing your notification sounds is easier than ever. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you never miss that crucial moment when your push-to-talk is deactivated. First, let's get started by opening Discord directly from your browser. Just head to discord.com and log into your account as you normally would. You don't need to download anything extra. Everything we're doing today works right from your web browser. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to that, there's a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up your user settings, where you can customize all sorts of features to make Discord work just the way you like. Now, from the menu on the left, scroll down until you find the Notifications tab. Click on Notifications to open up all the sound and alert options available to you. This is where you can fine-tune how Discord notifies you about different events. Inside the Notifications section, look for a heading called Sounds. Here you'll see a list of specific notification sounds that you can turn on or off. Find the option labeled PTT Deactivate. This is the sound that plays whenever you release the push-to-talk key and your mic turns off. To enable it, just click the toggle next to PTT Deactivate. When the toggle turns blue, you'll know the sound is active. Now, every time you release your push-to-talk key, you'll hear a notification sound, making it easy to know exactly when your mic is off. And that's it. You've successfully enabled notification sounds for PTT Deactivate on Discord web. This small tweak can make a big difference, especially during fast-paced gaming sessions or important group calls. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of Discord. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting.